One. Hey guys, it's Kane from Jarrett the Journeyman. Hey, I just went over 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I want to thank everybody who subscribed and everyone who's watched. So with that, decided to give away a Milwaukee drill. So we've got an 18-volt, half-inch cordless driver, brushless. What else did I miss? Drill driver kit. So what's going to happen is we got it. You guys need to sign up for it, and I'll tell you that later. But what we're going to do is put everybody's name in the hat, and I'll go live here in a week from today, and we'll pick a name. And what I'll do is I'll purchase it and direct drop it right to your door, so you don't have to worry about that. So the winner will get a message from me asking for some information, address and stuff, and I'll get that to you and we'll go from there. So what we got to do this is you guys need to like this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and that'll get you entered into the drawing for the drill. So three simple little steps, and you can go from there. But again, guys, thank you for your subscriptions, and we'll go for another 1,000. So remember, guys, you need to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, especially the notification bell, so you know when I go and post the winner of the drill itself, and we'll go from there. So good luck, and thanks again, guys.